Hello guys, welcome to the Empiric, starting with our first news today from the USA, where President Trump addressed the nation and made some massive statements regarding the Iran war. Trump said that this war against Iran will last only another 2 to 3 weeks because, according to him, U.S. core strategic objectives are almost complete. Trump also warned that if no deal is reached, the U.S. will strike Iran's power plants, saying, "We will bring Iran back to the Stone Age." Related to this, Trump claimed that Iran's navy is completely finished and their air force is now in ruins. He made it clear that in the future, the USA won't need to import oil from the Strait of Hormuz because the U.S. is now energy independent. Right after this speech, U.S. oil prices saw a huge jump, crossing $103 per barrel. Next news is it has been revealed that the Iranian government is currently not ready for any big deal or negotiations to end the U.S.-Israeli war. According to assessments, Iran feels they are in a very strong position and doesn't need to bow down to America's diplomatic demands. While they are willing to keep diplomatic channels open, the reality is they feel time is on their side and aren't ready to accept any major demands yet. Next news is the Iranian military has started charging a toll on ships passing through the Strait of Hormuz. The rates start at $1 per barrel of oil, meaning a large oil tanker might have to pay around $2 million just to pass. The most interesting part is that these payments are only being accepted in Chinese Yuan or stablecoins, digital currency. The process is very strict. First, ship operators must contact an intermediary company linked to the IRGC. Then, they have to provide all details like ship ownership, flag, cargo manifest, and crew list. This data is checked by the IRGC Navy to ensure the ship has no links to the USA or Israel. Iran has also created a ranking system from 1 to 5 for nations. Countries friendly to Iran get better terms and easier passage. Once the toll is paid, the IRGC issues a permit code and route instructions for the ship to pass. Next news is regarding Microsoft CFO Amy Hood. A decision she took back in 2025 is now hurting the company. At that time, she paused the expansion of data centers to cut costs. But now, because of the AI boom, demand has increased so much that Microsoft is facing a massive server shortage. This supply crunch has created a bottleneck for Microsoft's growth, meaning they don't have enough infrastructure for new AI products, which is slowing down the company's progress. Next news is a big shift is happening in China's AI server market. According to 2025 data, China's domestic GPU and AI chipmakers have captured about 41% of the market. This is a big blow to Nvidia, whose share has dropped to 55%. Looking at the numbers, out of 4 million AI cards, Nvidia shipped 2.2 million, while Chinese companies together delivered 1.65 million. Huawei is leading the pack with 812,000 chips, followed by Alibaba's T-Head at 265,000 and Baidu and Cambricai at 116,000 each. The main reason is the strict U.S. export controls and the Chinese government's Buy Chinese push. Believe it or not, Nvidia's one-sided dominance in China is ending fast. Next news is in the crypto industry. A major name, CoinShares, has now been listed on the U.S. Nasdaq stock exchange. Trading started on April 1st, which is a huge deal for crypto asset management. CoinShares made this entry through a $1.2 billion SPAC merger deal with a company called VineZill. With this listing, it will become even easier for big U.S. investors to invest in crypto-related assets. Next news. The long-standing battle between Elon Musk and the U.S. SEC is now heading to court. Both have filed a joint notice saying they are ready for a trial. This whole case is from 2022 when Musk bought Twitter shares. According to the rules, if someone buys more than 5% of a company, they must inform the government within 10 days. The allegation is that Musk hid this and disclosed it very late, saving millions of dollars but breaking the rules. The SEC believes this delay hurt other investors. Now, the trial will decide how big the fine or action against Musk will be. Next news. Google has given a massive upgrade to its AI Pro subscription plan. Previously, this $19.99 per month plan offered 2 terabyte storage, but now it has been increased to 5 terabytes at no extra cost. This means you get 3 terabytes extra space for the same price for your Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Also, if someone needs even more, the 10 terabyte plan is now available for $49.99 per month. This move is very helpful for users who use AI tools and store heavy data. Next news, there is major news regarding the Solana-based DeFi platform Drift. Drift has warned its users about an active attack or hacking on their protocol. According to data, over $250 million have been moved from Drift's wallet to another temporary wallet. In the DeFi world, this is a huge amount, and it's not yet clear if the money was stolen by hackers or moved by the company for safety. If your funds are there, you need to stay alert until the situation is fully cleared. Next news, the FBI has declared a massive cybersecurity breach as a major incident. It was found that China-linked hackers hacked a USA surveillance system that contained pen register and trap and trace data. What does this mean? In simple words, this system tracks who called whom and when. It doesn't record the actual conversation, but it definitely shows who is talking to whom. The FBI believes this hack gave China information on who the U.S. government was watching and who their surveillance targets are. Calling this a major incident means it's a big threat to U.S. national security. Next news is Paradigm, a big name in crypto investment and a major investor in Kalshi, is now building its own prediction markets trading terminal. Prediction markets are places where people bet on the outcome of events. This terminal is specifically being made for professional traders and market makers to provide fast trading and advanced tools. Not only this, Paradigm is working on a prediction market index, which will be like the S&P 500, meaning you can invest in a bundle of different prediction markets at once. In the last few months, the craze for prediction markets has grown so much that monthly trading volume has crossed $10 billion. Next news is startup funding worldwide has broken all records. In the first 3 months, Q1 of 2026, global VC investment reached $297 billion, which is 150% higher than last year. The most shocking part is that 81% of the total funding went only to AI startups. In fact, 64% of the world's money was raised by just 4 big companies: OpenAI, $120 billion, Anthropic, $30 billion, xAI, $20 billion, and Waymo, $16 billion. This means investors are putting money only into big AI companies that already have power and data. Believe it or not, it's becoming a winner-take-all situation, where a few top companies are capturing the whole market. NASA has finally created history. On April 1, 2026, the Artemis 2 mission successfully launched. This is the first mission in over 50 years taking humans toward the moon. The SLS rocket from Kennedy Space Center took 4 astronauts, Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen, on this journey. The current update is that they are in Earth's orbit checking systems. They faced a small problem during the mission. Their Lunar Loo space toilet stopped working, but it's being fixed. Tonight, a big engine burn will send them on a 4-day journey toward the moon. The whole mission is 10 days long, and they will return to Earth after going behind the moon. President Trump also congratulated the NASA team and the brave astronauts. Next news is Iran's President Pezeshkian has written an open letter to American civilians. In this letter, he said that the Iranian people have no enmity with Americans or people of any other country. He clarified that showing Iran as a threat is just a fake narrative run by powerful people and the arms industry for their own profit to justify war. You can read the full letter by pausing the video. Next news is President Trump has once again mocked French President Emmanuel Macron. During a private lunch, Trump said that Macron's wife, Brigitte Macron, treats him extremely badly. Trump even said that Macron is still recovering from a right to the jaw. This comment refers to a viral video where Macron's wife was seen pushing him. Trump also shared that he asked Macron for ships to help in the Iran war, but Macron refused. Trump mimicked Macron's French accent, saying Macron replied, "No, no, no, Donald, we will help after the war is over." Trump mocked that he won't need anyone's help after the war. He also called NATO a paper tiger, saying that when a real big trouble comes, NATO won't help. French officials have called these statements very disrespectful. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video even a little bit informative, please like and subscribe. It gives us the motivation to bring you videos like this every single day.